Hello friends, welcome again to my video channel. In this video we'll learn how to make an ellipse by concentric circle method. Now take for example we have a question that draw an ellipse by concentric circle method such that its major axis is 100 mm and minor axis is 70 mm. So firstly we'll make an axis 100 mm long horizontally. 100 mm, that would be from 5 to 10, or we'll take it from 10 to 20. Since it is a center line, so we are going to mark it as, oh, I'm sorry, it's a basic line, so it should be light, as light as possible, and it should be visible too. We have made it. Now we will bisect this line so that we can take a minor axis over it. Now how to bisect is take the compass, take its radius more than the half of its length, and mark the arcs. That's how you get a center. Now from this as the center, we will take minor axis as 70 mm long. Now 70 mm means 35 mm upwards and 35 mm downwards of this line. So it would be like 35 mm upwards and 35 mm downward. Done? So this is your 100 mm and this is your 70 mm. Oh, it doesn't look like 70 mm. Yes, it is 70 mm, and let's cross check this one. This one shows to be 100 mm long. So we have made the basic structure. Now the forward thing is very simple. Just take the radius of the circle as half of the major axis. So that is from the center, the one of the endpoint of the major axis. Draw a circle. Do the same thing with the minor axis too. Draw another circle with the radius of the minor axis. So it should go something like this. What we have to do now is we need to we need to divide this circle into 8 or 12 equal parts. 8 because we can divide it into 8 parts also, we can divide it into 12 parts also. Dividing the circle into 12 equal parts will give us a smooth ellipse. So I prefer to divide the circle into 12 equal parts. Now it's upon you that you should divide it into 12 or into 8 equal parts. So this one goes to be the first part. This one goes to be the second. Mark an angle of 60 degree. This one will be the third, and the another one will be, oh, I'm sorry. So these are the 12 equal parts of the circle. Name it as 1, 2, oh, this one, this. The smoothness of the curve depends on your practice and the way you use this French curve. We'll use it at the last moment. Firstly, let's do what is needed out here to be done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Name the inner parts as 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash, 6 dash, 7 dash, 8 dash, 9 dash, 10 dash, 11 dash and 12 dash. What we have to do is draw perpendicular lines or the lines parallel to this one, to the minor axis, from these points, from the points of the external circle. So it should be done like this. Our structure is going to show some error due to the mishandling of the apparatus which we are using. Now take horizontal line or parallel to this line, this one, the major axis, and just mark it from the points which we have named it as 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash. Just take some horizontal lines out from here and connect that line which we have already drawn perpendicular to them. So we have done everything. Now just name these points which we have got as A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K and L. Everything is done in a proper manner. with some of the errors. So by neglecting those errors, we'll use this French curve and mark all those points and connect all those points which we have got and which we have named them as A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, etc. and blah 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 by this French curve. Position the French curve in such a way that it connects maximum number of points together to get the smoothness of the curve. No need of this draft right now. The error which we get gets displayed by the smoothness of the curve. More the smoothness, less the error. The smoothness comes with a lot of practice. So that's how our ellipse looks like. Now it's not equally smooth. You can see some error out here that the curve is not touching this point, but it should have touched it. So neglect these small errors and like not completely neglect it, but try to focus in such a way that you get least error. Thank you friends. Please like, watch and subscribe my channel.